Chapter 3: Overcoming Self-Doubt. Identifying Negative Thoughts. Identifying negative thoughts is an essential step in building your confidence and enhancing your self-esteem. Many young people face a barrage of critical inner voices that can undermine their self-worth. These thoughts often creep in, whispering doubts and fears that can seem overwhelming. The first step to overcoming them is to recognize when they arise. Pay attention to your internal dialogue, especially during moments of self-reflection or when you face challenges. Are you telling yourself that you're not good enough, or that you'll fail before you even try? Acknowledging these thoughts is the key to regaining control and shifting your mindset. Once you start to tune in to your inner critic, it helps to keep a journal. Writing down your thoughts can clarify what's really going on in your mind. When you put pen to paper, you create a space where you can view your thoughts objectively. This process not only helps you identify negative patterns, but also makes it easier to challenge them. By seeing your thoughts in black and white, you can evaluate their validity. Are these thoughts based on facts, or are they simply your fears taking the reins? This practice serves as a powerful tool for self-discovery. Next, consider the impact of your environment on your thoughts. Surrounding yourself with supportive friends and positive influences can dramatically change your mindset. Sometimes negative thoughts are fueled by external factors, such as social media or toxic relationships. By identifying these influences, you can take steps to limit their impact on your self-esteem. Seek out those who uplift you and encourage your growth. Remember, your environment plays a crucial role in shaping the way you think about yourself. Another effective strategy for identifying negative thoughts is to practice mindfulness. Engaging in mindfulness exercises, such as meditation or deep breathing, can help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings in the moment. This awareness allows you to catch negative thoughts as they happen, preventing them from spiraling out of control. When you recognize these thoughts, you can consciously choose to replace them with positive affirmations. This shift in focus not only helps diminish negativity, but also reinforces a healthier self-image. Lastly, remember that everyone experiences negative thoughts from time to time, and that's perfectly normal. The key is not to let them define you. By actively identifying and challenging these thoughts, you empower yourself to rise above them. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and growth, knowing that every step you take towards understanding your mind brings you closer to becoming an unshakable version of yourself. Confidence is built on the foundation of self-awareness, and as you learn to navigate your thoughts, you'll cultivate a stronger, more resilient self-esteem. Strategies to combat self-doubt. Self-doubt can feel like an uninvited guest that shows up just when you're about to shine. The key to combating this pesky intruder is to recognize it for what it is: a feeling, not a fact. To start your journey towards unshakable confidence, practice positive affirmations. Speak to yourself as you would to a friend. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try, "I am capable and ready to take on new challenges." These affirmations can rewire your brain and replace negative thoughts with empowering beliefs. Remember, every time you speak kindly to yourself, you're building a stronger foundation of self-esteem. Another powerful strategy is to embrace your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Keeping a success journal can be a game changer. Write down your accomplishments, the challenges you've overcome, and the compliments you've received. When self-doubt creeps in, flip through your journal to remind yourself of your strengths and victories. Each entry serves as a testament to your capabilities, reinforcing the idea that you are indeed capable of greatness. Celebrate every win, because each step forward is a step toward a more confident you. Surrounding yourself with positive influences is crucial in your fight against self-doubt. Seek out friends, mentors, and role models who uplift and inspire you. Engage in conversations that encourage growth and positivity. When you're surrounded by people who believe in you, their confidence can be contagious. Limit your exposure to negativity, whether it's from toxic relationships or social media. Instead, curate your environment to be filled with motivation and support. The right people will remind you of your worth and help you combat any doubts that may arise. Challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone regularly. Facing fears head-on is one of the most effective ways to build confidence and diminish self-doubt. Start with small challenges, like initiating a conversation with someone new or trying a new hobby. Each time you push your boundaries, you prove to yourself that you can handle whatever comes your way. Over time, these experiences will accumulate, and you'll find yourself feeling more fearless and equipped to tackle larger challenges. Embrace the discomfort. It's a sign that you're growing. Finally, practice self-compassion. Understand that everyone experiences self-doubt. It's a universal feeling. Instead of criticizing yourself for having these thoughts, treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Acknowledge your feelings, but don't let them control you. When you stumble or make mistakes, remind yourself that it's all part of the learning process. Approach challenges with a mindset of curiosity rather than judgment. By being gentle with yourself, you create a nurturing environment where confidence can flourish. Remember, you are not defined by your doubts. You are defined by how you choose to rise above them. Building a positive mindset. Building a positive mindset is a thrilling adventure that can change your life in unimaginable ways. Imagine waking up each day with a spring in your step and a heart full of hope. This transformation begins with the simple belief that you can cultivate positivity no matter your circumstances. A positive mindset acts like a powerful magnet, attracting opportunities, friendships, and experiences that lift you higher. Embrace the idea that every challenge is just a stepping stone on your journey toward greatness. You are in control of your thoughts, and with practice, you can turn negativity into fuel for your dreams. To start building this incredible mindset, let's focus on gratitude. It's easy to get caught up in what we lack, but shifting your perspective to appreciate what you already have can work wonders. Keep a gratitude journal where you jot down 3 things you're thankful for each day. They can be as simple as a sunny day, a good meal, or a friend's smile. This practice trains your brain to notice the positive aspects of life, helping you develop a habit of looking for the silver lining in every situation. By regularly acknowledging the good, you'll find that your overall outlook brightens and you become more resilient in the face of challenges. Another fantastic tool for building a positive mindset is positive self-talk. The words you say to yourself matter more than you think. Replace those nagging negative thoughts with empowering affirmations. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try, "I'm capable of overcoming challenges." Speak to yourself like you would to your best friend, encouraging, uplifting, and full of belief. By consciously changing your internal dialogue, you'll start to believe in your own potential, paving the way for greater confidence and self-esteem. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality with your words. Surrounding yourself with positivity is equally important. The people you spend time with influence your mindset immensely. Seek out friends and mentors who inspire you, uplift you, and challenge you to be the best version of yourself. Engaging with positive influences creates an environment where you can thrive, learn, and grow. Attend workshops, join clubs, or participate in activities that ignite your passions and connect you with like-minded individuals. This supportive network will help reinforce your positive mindset and encourage you to take risks you might not have considered before. Finally, don't forget the power of perseverance. Building a positive mindset is not about ignoring difficulties. It's about facing them head-on with a can-do attitude. When setbacks occur, remind yourself that every great success story is filled with failures and lessons learned. Embrace the journey, knowing that every step, whether forward or back, is part of your growth. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. Trust in yourself and your ability to adapt. With a positive mindset, you'll not only overcome obstacles, but also find joy in the process of becoming unshakable. Thanks for your time. See you later.